Wishing a very good evening to all the students of class 10. I would like to begin this video, which is video number 10. And in this video, I will solve question number 8. And in the question, it is given that if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Now, what is given in the question we will write here. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Now, the value of cot A will be 4 by 3, as because 3 transpose to this side will become by. So the value of cot A will be 4 by 3. Now we know that the formula of cot A is, the formula for cot theta is base by perpendicular. So I have written in place of cot A base by perpendicular. Now if we assume a right angle triangle where angle A is theta, then this will be base and this will be perpendicular. The ratio of base and perpendicular is given 4 by 3. So I have assumed base as 4k and altitude as 3k, right? The base is AB as 4k and BC as 3k, as because cot theta is base by perpendicular. So base by perpendicular, 4k here I have taken and 3k in the altitude. Now I will apply Pythagoras theorem to find the third side, that is AC. See, we have assumed AB is equal to 4k and BC is equal to 3k. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we know that Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. Hypotenuse is AC, so I have written AC square here is equal to altitude. Altitude I have assumed as 3k, altitude is 3k and base is 4k. So in place of altitude I have written 3k and in place of base I have written 4k. Now AC square will be equal to 3k whole square is 9k square plus 4k whole square is 16k square. Now which implies AC square is equal to 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. Square transpose to this side becomes root. 25k square can be written as 5k whole square. Square and root gets cancelled. The value of AC becomes 5k. So we got now the value of AC as 5k. So now we know all the three sides. Now we will come to the main part of the question. We are asked to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we will take this portion as LHS and this portion as RHS. We will solve these two separately, and if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that these two are equal. If we don't get LHS and RHS as equal, then we will conclude that these two are not equal. Now let us solve the LHS portion. See, LHS, it is given that 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. We will solve it. 1 minus tan square, we know the formula of tan is what? Sin cos tan, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 3k, base is 4k. So I have written here 3k by 4k whole square divided by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus, again the value of tan A is 3k by 4k. I have written here 3k by 4k whole square. Then my next step 1 minus, see, 3k by 4k whole square means 3k whole square by 4k whole square, right? 3k by 4k whole square means 3k whole square by 4k whole square. So if I break it, 3k whole square will become 9k square and 4k whole square will become 16k square. Similarly, here also 3k whole square will become 9k square and 4k whole square will become 16k square. Now in this step I will take the LCM of these two. If I take the LCM of these two, see, LCM of 1 and 16k square is 16k square. So what number I will multiply with 1 to get 16k square? Definitely I will multiply here 16k square. So in numerator also I will have to multiply 16k square. So 16k square into 1 is 16k square, minus LCM is 16k square only, so I have to multiply 1 to get 16k square. Here I have multiplied 1, so here also I will multiply 1. 9k square into 1 is 9k square, divided by again same, I will take here 1, LCM of 16k square and 1 is 16k square. So what number I will multiply with 1 to get 16k square? It is 16k square only. So in numerator also I will multiply 16k square. 16k square into 1 is 16k square, plus LCM is 16k square. So what number I will multiply with 16k square to get 16k square? It is 1. So in numerator also I will multiply 1. 9k square into 1 is 9k square, right? Now in this step you see 16k square minus 9 is 7k square, divided by 16k square, divided by 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square, divided by 16k square. Now 7k square by 16k square I have written here. This symbol divide, this by, this symbol I have written here as divide, divided by, so I have written here division. So I have written here 25k square by 16k square. Now 7k square I have written here 7k square by 16k square. Now if I change the symbol, see, divide, in place of divide if I write multiply, multiplication symbol, if I change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, then the value after division will reciprocate, it will become reverse. So here it will become 16k square by 25k square. Now k square will get cancelled, k square will get cancelled. Oh sorry, 16 and 16 also will get cancelled. So 7 by 25 will be the value of 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square. So this is LHS that we have solved. Now let us check the RHS. See, RHS it is given cos square a minus sin square a. So I have written here cos square a minus sin square a. What is the formula of cos a? See here, the formula of cos is base by hypotenuse. So base is 4k and hypotenuse is 5k. So I have written here 4k by 5k whole square minus formula of sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3k and hypotenuse is 5k. So I have written here 3k by 5k whole square. Now I have solved it. See, 4k by 5k whole square means 4k whole square by 5k whole square, and 3k by 5k whole square means 3k whole square by 5k whole square. So 4k whole square is 16k square and 5k whole square is 25k square, minus 3k whole square is 9k square and 5k whole square is 25k square. Now if we take the LCM of these two, we will get 25k square. So if we solve it, we will get 16k square minus 9k square. 16k square minus 9k square is 7k square. K square will get cancelled. Now in LHS also I got 7 by 25. In RHS, see, I got 7 by 25 in RHS, and in LHS also I got 7 by 25. So therefore I can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. So 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is question number 8. See, okay, this is question number 8, and question number 9 I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much. Good night.